Most portable Bluetooth speakers produce flat, directional sound and they lack depth. They don't have any spatial presence. The Soundcore Motion X600 solves that problem. It creates an immersive, room-filling audio from a portable speaker.
Power, Bluetooth, spatial audio, bass.
During my research, the #1 praised feature was this spatial audio technology.
I'll try the spatial audio as well, and maybe you can hear that kick in.
Video just doesn't do it justice, but when you push the spatial audio, it's incredible. The one negative that I saw is people complain about the battery life. Well, I haven't seen that. I run it for hours on the beach. I've never let the battery run out, but battery has not been an issue. Before I forget, it comes with a cool app where you can control your X600. Okay, my final verdict on the X600, is it worth it? Absolutely. I love it. I like this so much, I actually bought the X300 as well. So I hope you found this video helpful.